Dear students, in the last section we have seen the problems on HCF and LCM. In this section we will see the problems on ages. So the first problem is Rajiv's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. So what is the present age of Rajiv? Let uh, Rajiv's present age is x years. Rajiv present age is x years. So after the 15 years Rajiv's age is x plus 15 and 5 years back Rajiv's age is x minus 5. So what is the relation between this? The Rajiv's age after 15 years means x plus 15 will be 5 times his age 5 years back, means 5 into x minus 5. The equation is x plus 15 is equal to 5x minus 25. So if the x goes at the right side and 25 goes at the left side, so it is 5x minus x is 4x, 15 plus 25 is 40, so x is 10. So Rajiv's present age is 10 years. Then the next example is the age of two persons differ by 16 years, means the difference between this the person's age is 16 years. If 6 years ago the elder one be 3 times as old as the younger one, find their present ages. Okay, so let the age of the younger person is x years. So what is the age of older persons? As the difference between these ages is 16 years, so the age of elder person is x plus 16 years. If 6 years ago the younger person's age is x minus 6, okay, and the elder person's age before 6 years is x plus 16 minus 6. So it is x minus 6, x plus 16 minus 6. What is the relationship between that? 6 years ago the elder one is 3 times as old as the younger one. So 3x minus 6 is equal to x plus 16 minus 6. So it is 3x minus 18 is equal to x plus 10. So 3x minus x, 10 plus 18. Okay, so it is 3x minus x is 2x is equal to 28. So the value of x is 14. Hence the present age of the younger person is 14 years and the present age of the older person is x plus 16. X is your 14 plus 16 is 30 years. Then the next problem is the product of ages of Nikita, Ankit and Nikita is 240. If twice the age of the Nikita is more than Ankit's age by 4 years, what is Nikita's age? Okay, so the product of these two ages is 240. Let the Ankit age is x years, then the Nikita's age is 240 upon x years. Okay, if twice the age of Nikita's age is more than Ankit's age by 4 years, means the twice of Ankita's age is 2 into 240 upon x and minus x is 4. So this is the relationship between these two ages. Twice the Ankita's age and the Ankit's age means the difference between this is 4. So your equation is 240 minus x square is equal to 4x. So we can convert this equation as x square plus 4x minus 480. So how we will solve this? We have to take the factors of 480 such that the multiplication is 480 but the addition or subtraction is 4. So the factors are 24 and 20. 24 minus 20 plus 24 minus 20. So the factors are x plus 24, x minus 20. So here x may be your minus 24 or x may be your 20. Okay, but as we are solving the problems of ages, the age is not negative, that is why the value of x is 20. Hence the Ankit's age is 20 and the Nikita's age is 240 upon 20 is 12 years. Okay. Then the next problem is, the present age of a father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. The present age of the father, we will see one by one. The present age of the father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. For example, let the present age is x years. Okay, so the father's age is 3 times plus 3, and 3 years more than 3 times the age of the son means 3x plus 3. So the father's age is 3x plus 3. Okay, then 3 years hence, after 3 years, son's age is x plus 3 and the father's age is 3x plus 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 years hence the father age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. So what is the relationship? 3x plus 3 plus 3 is equal to son's age is x plus 3, the twice of the son is 2x plus 3 plus 10. So this is the relationship between these ages. So the equation is 3x plus 6, 2x plus 6 plus 10, that is 2x plus 16. Okay. Then this is 3x minus 2x, 16 minus 6. So x is equal to 10. So son's present age is 10 years. But we have to find the present age of the father. So father present age is 3x plus 3, that is 3 into 10 plus 3. So it is 33 years. Okay.